Navigate to the Examination tab. Click on Publish Mark Setting. Here, select Term. Select Exam. Select Classes, Section. Choose the date using the Publish On option. Utilize the Hide Marks for Fee Defaulters feature. Select the desired installment. Choose the students individually or altogether in Student. Press Add icon to publish multiple marks. Repeat the same procedure. And press Submit to finalize publishing the marks externally. Please note, the marks can only be published by the branch admin.